why I am saying doing nothing as a trader is your biggest edge. Here is why. The big problem with trading. Have you ever wondered why 90% of traders end up losing money? It's not that they can't make profits, they do, sometimes even having great days, but then they blow it all on bad trades and the cycle repeats itself. Why does this happen? It all comes down to mindset. Many traders think that just because they're a trader, they need to be in the game every day, constantly staring at charts, finding setups, and chasing profits. But that's a big mistake. A good trader knows when to step back. Not every day is a good trading day. Sometimes the best move is no move at all. Sounds strange, right? But how can you make money by doing nothing? The truth is, trading isn't just about making money, it's about keeping the money you've earned. If you don't learn how to protect your profits, the market will take them back every single time. Here's what you should start doing. Stop trading when you're up for the day. Don't keep pushing your luck. If the market looks bad, walk away. If you've hit your loss limit, close your laptop. The more you stop trading when things aren't in your favor, the better you'll become at avoiding unnecessary losses. Try it out and watch how it changes your game. You'll thank yourself later.